black pepper beef cashew stew or black pepper beef cashew bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cashew recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the wheel recipes and one of the most delicious of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the beef bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beef casserole recipes. One of the most unique of the beef recipes for dinner. We're going to make pepper beef cashew stew. We've taken around 250 grams of beef pieces. Put in half a spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of pepper powder, 1 spoon of mixture spices, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and half a spoon of chili powder, and salt to taste. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Take off the seeds and apply the spices onto the beef pieces. Thoroughly apply and let it rest in the marinade for around half an hour. Heat the pan and put in marinated oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots. Saute it. Put in the ginger, chop the onion, Now put in 2 curry leaves. Put in the garlic. Saute garlic. Keep on sauteing. Now put in the ground cashew chili mixture. Try to mix the chili. Put in the tomato pieces. Chopped garlic. Keep on stirring. Put in salt paste. Put in a spoon of black pepper powder. Put in a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Mix thoroughly. Put in the beef pieces. and pour in the marinade. Mix that up. Thoroughly mix. This mixture cook in the pressure cooker for 35 minutes. Put in some curry leaves, salt, mix thoroughly. Now the black pepper beef cashew stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final black pepper beef cashew stew or black pepper beef cashew bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beef recipes and one of the most unique of the wheat recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the pepper recipes and one of the most different of the cashew recipes and one of the most delicious of the bowl recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the stew recipes. Like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.